If Earth stopped spinning for just 1 second, you wouldn't stand still. Your body would keep racing eastward at 1,000 miles per hour. That unstoppable momentum would hurl cars, trains, even airplanes into chaos, as every moving object is violently thrown forward at once. Oceans would surge into massive walls of water, crashing onto continents with unstoppable force. Meanwhile, the atmosphere would keep moving, spawning mega storms that rip across the globe, stronger than any hurricane ever measured. Imagine winds thousands of times stronger than hurricanes, flinging people, animals, and buildings eastward in a terrifying instant. Even a calm walk would turn deadly, as inertia throws your body forward uncontrollably, smashing you against the world around you. Deep underground, Earth's molten core would continue spinning. That violent mismatch could rip tectonic plates apart. Airplanes high above would be torn from their paths, suddenly flung eastward by the unstoppable inertia of Earth's halted rotation. Satellites orbiting Earth would lose their delicate balance, veering wildly off course, some crashing back to the surface in fiery destruction. Ocean currents, powered by inertia, would keep rushing forward, slamming waves into coastal cities with the destructive force of tsunamis. Skyscrapers would collapse like fragile towers, their structures never built to withstand the sudden. Inside homes and buildings, people would be hurled against walls as inertia makes even small spaces violently dangerous. Wildlife wouldn't escape, birds ripped from the sky, deer sliding helplessly across the ground, chaos spreading through every ecosystem. Across the globe, everything would be dragged eastward, as if the planet itself became a massive conveyor belt of destruction. The atmosphere, still in motion, would shear against the ground. That friction could spark firestorms sweeping across continents. Buildings would topple like dominoes, collapsing one after another in a deadly chain reaction across cities and towns. People would cling desperately to lampposts or trees, but no grip could resist the planet's violent, unstoppable momentum. Earthquakes would pulse outward, shaking continents as tectonic plates crack under the immense strain of the sudden planetary stop. In deserts, raging sandstorms would erupt, winds tearing across dunes with unimaginable force, burying everything in their path. Forests would be ripped apart, trees torn from their roots and hurled like matchsticks by the colossal energy release. Even human bodies would feel internal shockwaves, air pressure changes striking lungs, creating invisible but deadly trauma. Blood vessels could rupture under the immense G-forces, as the body struggles to endure stresses it was never built for. Meanwhile, the moon would continue orbiting, distorting Earth's balance, pulling oceans and continents into further chaos. Stars overhead would seem to blow, as the halted Earth disrupts our steady cosmic frame of reference. The planet itself would wobble on its axis, its delicate tilt thrown into sudden imbalance. Scientists explain, such a scenario defies physics. Earth's steady spin has remained unbroken for billions of years. No force of nature has ever halted it. Even the most powerful earthquakes barely change its spin by milliseconds. Billions of years of rotation created balance, shaping seasons, weather, and the life we know. At Earth's core, molten iron spins like a stabilizing engine, keeping the planet's rotation smooth and constant. Think of giant gears locked together, once in motion. They resist stopping. Earth is one of those gears. Science fiction imagines alien weapons halting the planet, but reality shows no known power could stop Earth's spin. Even futuristic machines dreamed by humans would collapse under the unimaginable energy required to freeze a planet.
Come on.
If Earth spun in reverse, oceans, winds, and climate would completely change, reshaping life beyond recognition. Without rotation, Earth's magnetic field could collapse, leaving us exposed to deadly cosmic radiation. Satellites would fail, communications would vanish, and our modern technological world would instantly fall silent. Imagine gravity distorted, people, buildings, and oceans floating freely, a nightmare of zero-G chaos on Earth. If time itself reversed with the spin, history would unravel backward, an impossible paradox of existence. Without rotation, Earth's cycles would collapse, winds, tides, and orbits all disrupted, life thrown into chaos. That's why scientists call this scenario impossible. Earth cannot simply stop. Not for a second, not ever. Instead, our planet keeps spinning smoothly, its motion a silent guardian of life's delicate balance. Curious about more impossible mysteries? Subscribe to Mind Benders, share your thoughts, and join us on a journey through the universe's strangest secrets.